Welcome back to NewsFile. This is your most authoritative news analysis platform, and here on NewsFile, we put Ghana first. I titled Samson's Take, COVID-19 not over. Political leaders show example. The novel COVID-19 has killed over 1 million people. It has robbed people of their jobs and livelihoods as businesses fold up. It has devastated economies, and the journey to recovery won't be as easy a task. The dead include 301 people in Ghana, big and small. This is despite the fact that God has largely spared Africa. Government applaud itself for measures taken, including unplanned spending of over 54 million to feed the poor and some 600 million in a stimulus package for businesses. Disinfecting schools, markets, and supplying PPEs to health facilities and masks to reduce the spread. We passed laws that saw people thrown into jail and paying hefty fines for violating safety protocols. The president, who has through his regular broadcasts done a great job of constantly reminding us to practice social distancing among strict observance of the COVID-19 protocols, just extended the life of the law for mandatory wearing of masks. Our leaders must not only talk, but also show the way. Why are they suddenly being such bad examples in the midst of this public health crisis? If you haven't followed the political campaigns, including by flag bearers of the NPP and NDC, visit their social media handles and check out what they have been advertising without any hesitation. Now, you have been watching the clips as I speak to you. Continue to watch these clips of the milling crowds at the campaigns without a sense of the times, and tell me if it is these same politicians making COVID-19 protection laws and preaching protection protocols. The pictures you see, absolute chaos, the very things that breed COVID-19. Now, let's watch President Akufo-Addo in one of his admonitions to us.
It is vitally important that each one of us, in all parts of the country, continue to observe the social distancing and house hygiene protocols, for they are the weapons of our defense against the virus. We can defeat this virus if we all commit ourselves to respecting all the measures that have been outlined.
So as you have seen in these pictures of the noise and the milling crowds falling upon each other, the same president is the one encouraging the very same thing he has been preaching against. If you have heard Dr. Baumia, if you have heard President John Mahama, they have taken platforms to preach that we should adhere to the protocols. They are the very same people encouraging crowds, breaching the law right in their face. Where is the integrity and love for these poor and vulnerable people who will mass up at these campaign grounds, and some cannot afford a mask and won't get anything close to the medical attention these leaders will get if they fall sick? the COVID-19 is not over. We endanger everyone if we encourage disregard for the protocols and laws. If you doubt, ask President Trump. That's my take.